Alright guys, today on this episode we are going to either fully get the dash the rest of the way out or moderately get the dash the rest of the way out. And either one depends on how I have to do it. Breaking and snapping, then I'm going to make sure I get it all the way out. Actual tools, well, we'll get to where we need to get to. Alrighty guys, so just another fun one and a long day, so have fun. Alright guys, we're going to take a couple minutes and see where my life is headed at the moment. Probably nowhere fast, but we're going. Alrighty guys, give me a minute. Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's episode. As you can tell, we at least got the plastic part of the dash out, the covering, all that. We got the steering wheel lowered, so now you can't tell if there's anything in here. But I'm just a little hyped right now, sorry. But yes, other than that, everything's good. We're going good. Tomorrow is actually Father's Day. I'll be making videos all day. And then when my daughter comes home, I will be spending the rest of my night with her, which will result in Monday I will be uploading all the videos that I make tomorrow. So look forward to that, and do remember, just like this steering wheel right here, do throw a like, and then just like the airbag right here, throw a subscribe. Keep watching, follow. It's gonna get better and better.